Alrighty, another up close and personal. Today we got a woodchuck, big flame woodchuck design, 2005. Alrighty, here we go. Crisp flowing lines for the flame. Look at those frosty lines. Oh, so pretty. The Flames Widow Peak. Alright, we're going to adjust the camera so we can get a little bit of this wood grain in there. Show that up close, what that looks like. There we go. And that's what that wood grain looks like up close. Very cool. Oh, the notorious circle sticker. These woodchuck lighters are really nice. You buy one, they plant a tree and give you the location to where the tree is, so you can check the progress. Alrighty, everybody. This is the 2025 Big Flame Woodchuck. Thank you very much.